Let's start with looking at our tricky word list again. These are tricky words because you cannot use your phonics to sound them out, which makes them tricky, so you just have to know them. So pause the video and have a go at reading as many of those as you can now. Well done. Okay, let's recap some of the sounds that we've already learnt. T. Can you guess this sound? Ah, well done. What's this sound? S. Good job. P, p. Well done. Did you get them all right? Okay, today's new sound and letter is the letter I, and it makes the sound I, I, I. So we're going to practice that sound, and you're going to do. I'm going to have a go first, and then it will be your turn. My turn. I. 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 Your turn. Last time. My turn. I. Your turn. Good job. Let's have a look now at how we write the letter. Okay, so we go down the body and dot for the head. Down the body and dot for the head. If you could get your finger in the air for me, and you're going to practice writing this letter in the air, and we'll do it together 5 times. Okay, starting here. Down the insect and dot for the head. 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 One more time. Down the insect and dot for the head. Well done. So now it's time to practice on your board, and I'd like you to write it 4 times on the board, trying to make sure that they're all very similar sizes, and you say the phrase down the insect and dot for the head. 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 You can pause your video now and have a go and try and make sure that they all look very similar to this. Okay, time for some segmenting and blending now. So I'm going to segment these words, sound out the words, and I'd like you to blend them back together, and then we'll switch over and it'll be your turn to have a go at reading all of the words. Okay, we'll start with this one. I. It's it. S, it. Sit. Well done. P, it. Pit. S, I, p. Sip. T, I, tip. Okay, now what I'd like you to do is to have a go at segmenting. So you'll need your robot arms to do all the sounding out. So if you pause the video now and have a go at segmenting and blending all of those words on your own this time. Off you go. Okay, well done. All right then, let's have a go at spelling some of those words now. So I'm going to read out a word, and probably best if you pause the video to give you a chance to write it, and then I will check by writing it myself to see if you get it right. So the first word I'd like you to write is it. 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 Off you go. Let's check if you got it right. It. It. Did you get it right? Well done. Next word is pit. P, it. pit. Pause the video and have a go at writing it. Okay, here is pit. P, it, p, it, pit. Well done. And last word is sip. Sip, sip. Pause the video and have a go at writing it. Okay, let's see if you got it right. Sip, sip, sip. Okay, hopefully you got those all right. Okay, now we're going to just have a go at reading some captions using some of the sounds that we've learnt. And they're only 2-word captions, so what I'd like you to do is have a go on your own to begin with. Remember to sound out all of the sounds that you can see and blend them back together to read the word. If you pause the video now, have a go, and then we'll do it together. Okay, let's see if you got it right. A, t, I, p, tip. A tip.